and I will drop you now from Skype, okay? And we'll discuss in GoToMeeting, okay? Okay. Ruthira, can you please mute your microphone, please, because it will be echoing. Yeah. So both of you are there. Just when you need to talk, you can talk, but other than that, you just keep it silent. Yeah. Okay. So you can hopefully you can, if you want to say something, you can even text me. Okay. There is a chat option. Okay. I have shared my screen. Now you can see there is a chat option, so you can just simply just say I have a question. Okay. So or even you can talk. Okay. So I will stop and then you can talk. Okay. So oh, come on. So let me stop this. Okay. So so let me show you what is CRM. How does it look like, this Microsoft Dynamics CRM? So this is the this is what it look like. Okay, Microsoft Dynamics CRM. This is online version. Okay, there are different versions available. This is online version, and it says Dynamic 365 because recently, last November in 2016, they have changed the name of Microsoft Dynamic CRM. The name of Microsoft Dynamic CRM changed to Dynamic 365. Okay, so this is the new name. This is the just 4 months before, 4 months ago, they just changed the name to Dynamic 365, and previously it was Microsoft Dynamic CRM. Okay, Dynamic CRM, just simply Dynamic CRM. It was before. Now it is Dynamics 365. Okay, so this is how does it look like. This is the what is called this as soon as you will open your CRM, this is how you will it look like. Okay, it has, and how will you go to different pages of this CRM? You just simply, you can see here drop down menu, right? So you just click here and you can see so many things appears, right? So you have sales, you have service, you have marketing, you have field service, you have project service, you have resource scheduling, you have settings, you have training, right? Then underneath, now I am in sales, so this is sales. So when you click this service, so service becomes the bigger box, right? When you click marketing, see marketing becomes bigger box than others. So this is how does it work, right? This is very, today will be introduction only, but introduction will take 1.5 hour. Okay, and then from next week onward we will have one by one each module will go through, and in each module we have different part of the module, different section, so we'll go through each section separately. So just have a look in sales, you see how many sections it has. My work dashboard, it has what's new, it has activities, it has customers, it has accounts, it has contacts, it has sales, it has leads, it has opportunities, it has competitors, it has collateral, quotes, orders, invoices, products, sales literature. It has marketing section, marketing lists, quick campaigns, goals, tools, and that's it, right? So that is only sales. Then if you go to service, then you have service things here. You go to marketing, you have marketing things here. You go to field service, you have field services here, right? You have project service module, you have project service, how many things, right? Resource scheduling, how many sections? Settings is the most complex one, is a how many sections. So that is why it is a vast book, I will say. Okay, it is a vast book. I will suggest you, I will suggest you also, if you have I will suggest you to buy a book as well. It will help you a lot. There is a book, if you go to Amazon, uh, I will trade you. Don't have to you don't have to buy book as a mandatory, because I will teach you everything. but for your own learning, if you want to, you can buy. If you don't want to buy, that's fine. But I'm just saying it would be good to have a book with you always, whenever you have time you can read it. But it is a big book, you would not like you would not like that book. uh, it is called dynamic CRM. It's a big book, and it's heavy. Yeah, so this one, Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2016 Unleashed. It will cost you £31, but it's not mandatory. But if you want to, because it is not mandatory, why? Because I'm teaching you everything. What will be here, or everything I will teach you, and the video I will send you as I did before with the C sharp. So everything will be covered. But that one, say example, if you have time to read book, some people they also would like to read book. So in that case, if you want to have it, you can have it. Okay, there is another book, Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2016 customization. You don't need that, but I'm just saying these are the books available in the market. Okay. uh, Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2015 application design, 2011 application design, 2013 Unleashed, right? And so on and so forth. Okay, this book is very popular. Step by step, Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011. This is a very good book and very popular, but uh, it is expired. Like we don't use anymore Dynamics CRM 2011. Okay, there is a small book as well, Dynamics CRM 2011 in 24 hours, but this version is also expired. So these books were very popular, but versions of Dynamics CRM have expired, so nobody used that. So yeah, so basically these are the books. Okay, after finishing this course, if you think you would also like to have a book, you can have it. Otherwise, it's not mandatory. Okay. Right. So where we are here. Okay. So we'll not talk about that much today. We'll not go through each of these section today. Okay. But I'm just showing you what we have here in general, right? But before we start actually going through this, these are called, these different part is called modules, right? And this part is called sections. Okay. In each module there are so many sections. Okay, some sections are cross. So for example, here in sales you have accounts, contacts. If you go to service, you also have accounts, contacts. If you go to marketing, you have accounts and contacts. These are same. So if you go to marketing module and then click accounts, you will reach in the same page. If you go to sales and go to accounts, you will go to the same page. Okay, so some sections are crossed. Okay, so they are available in sales, they are also available in marketing, they are also available in service, and so on and so forth, right? So we'll talk about this, but before that, as it is an introduction session, you need to know about CRM in details. Okay, the background of CRM. Then we will jump into the into CRM, into main CRM session from next week. So what is CRM? CRM is a customer relationship management system. Okay, customer relationship management system. You have seen at LSBM, they are using different types of CRM. I'll show you. If I have, if you go to, you can see if you go to a staff area, right? So they have, you can see how many system they are using. They have Radius. Okay, Radius, it's a CRM. Okay, Oracle, it's a CRM. Okay, so these are the two. Oh, they are also using Canvas. This is again CRM, but different functionalities. Okay, so we can say Radius is one CRM, Oracle is another CRM. These two are the main CRM, and Canvas is a portal. Okay, for student access to to the course contents and course materials. Okay, so that is not actually CRM, but it kind of CRM. Okay, but the main two CRMs are Radius and Oracle. Okay, so every organization has minimum one CRM, but it depends that there, because there are so many different types of CRM, so it is up to the client what types of CRM they use. Okay, so uh, in today's market, so I will go through this is quite a big one, but you have to understand all of this before we jump into the CRM. Okay, so you have to, I will go through, I will just read through the headings, not everything I will read, the line by line I will not read, but I will explain what is written here. And then when you when I finish, then you can actually revise yourself once more. Okay, so then you will understand why we need this CRM, what is importance of CRM, and how do we need to study and all of this. Okay, we'll go through first. Okay, so what is CRM? In today's market, customers have more options than ever when choosing the companies they choose to do business with. Because of this, it is essential that an organization fully understands their customers from their first interaction through the last interaction and across the organization. So what does it mean? So basically, CRM, which is a customer relationship management system, it tells you the word is customer, starts with customer relationship. So it is a system, it is a software system, but it has a user interface. It is like website. Okay, so it is an user interface, so you can interact the customers of an organization as well as users of an organization, so internal stuffs as well as outside of the organization, so general customers. So both these people, internal and external people, they can connect to the system using user interface, using internet. Okay, via internet they can go to a link, right? They can open the link and they will be able to see something, and they will go into different different part of the system, and they will get what they need. Okay, but what they will get and what they need from a CRM, basically, see here, if I go to CRM again, uh, if I go to, say example, sales here, say example, okay, as an user, as an user, say example, as an user means customer. As a customer, you will not be able to see these. Okay, this is an internal staff and organization, and internal staff can see that how the CRM will look like. This is how they will look. But for a customer, they don't need dashboard, they don't need codes, they don't need orders, they don't need to know marketing lists, they don't need to know quick campaigns, and so on and so forth. So as an user, general user means outside of an organization, they don't need all of them, so they will be able to see only few elements of this CRM, of this system. Okay, say example, they will be able to see, say example, here we have products, right? If I click products, see all of these products, name of the products, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so many products, right? But all of these products, as a customer, you will be able to see, but not in this way. Say example, if you go to Tesco, right? If you go to Tesco here, so as a customer, you have access to CRM, but in different way. Why? See, this is I have logged in, and I have access to Tesco. Now if I go to groceries, if I go to shop groceries, right, so I can see different products, right? But all of these products, that how much price, and this price valid is from today's date to another date, all of these are written in CRM like this. Okay, so this is user can see in this way. Okay, say example here, name of the product, product ID, each product has a product ID, then status, okay, which the product is an active or non-active. Okay, valid to, this product is valid from which date to which date, right? All of these, so all of this will be able to see as a internal user, but as an external user you will be able to see like this. So an organization, so Tesco is a big organization, and definitely Tesco has a CRM. So what Tesco does, that when a customer access to this website, or log in, because you see here there is a my account and sign in option. So as soon as they log in, okay, they indirectly connect to the CRM. So whenever they want to buy something, right? So example, I want to add something here. This is the product Tesco ready to eat medium avocados each. So as a user, as a customer, when I want to click add, okay, so I will sign in. Definitely I will sign in, and then after that I want to add. As soon as it will be added, as a user, internal user, you will be able to see it somewhere here in the CRM that there is a customer who is buying this product. Okay, so this is how does it look like. Okay, so CRM, it is an internal organizational system. Okay, so which is used by every member of the organization. So it is not only is a general staff of an organization will be able to see that. It is accessed by a manager, right? It is accessed by the CEO. It is accessed by salesman. It is accessed by every member has access to CRM, and they can see everything what they need. Okay, so this is what is called CRM. So you see, it is essential. And also not only that, as a user you will be able to see something, but as well as you enter, you can record something. Say example, if you want to what say example, as a I work, say example, me, I'm working in an organization in Tesco as a customer service representative, and I have discussed about a product with a customer over the phone. And what did I discuss? After 1 week, if I want to go back to that customer and want to offer something, some product, and would I remember what I discussed? I would not remember. So how would I record this? You can record it in CRM. So everything is possible in CRM. You can record what email you have sent to customer, right? So everything is possible. Okay, so I will show you. See here activities. Can you see activities? Yes, right? So if I go to activities, you will see, you see here phone call. Can you see phone call? Yes, right? So you can also create different task of activities. Say example, I have sent an email to a customer. Okay, so so this is a new task. Okay, so I will write here something. So the subject that I have discussed with a customer about this product. Okay, and so on and so forth. We will discuss all of this in details. What does it mean, each of these field? These are called field. Okay, you have to type something here. Okay, so these are called field. So we'll talk about this. So everything is possible in CRM to record. It's a phone call, there is an email, right? So everything, see here, phone call here, appointment. If you have an appointment, if you have sent an email, you can make an appointment here. If you have sent a letter, if you have sent a fax, okay, if you have made a campaign, okay, so all of these possible in CRM. So everything is a magical thing. Okay, so customer relationship management systems allow for easy information tracking. So as I said, 1 week before, not only 1 week, 5 years before, what you have discussed with a customer can be recorded here. Okay, and sharing, and then you share that recording with somebody else, with your boss, right, with your manager or somebody else, with your colleague. If you have left the company, then somebody else can log into that page and find out what you have told to a customer 5 years before. So everything is possible in CRM. All can be recorded and easily managed. And if everything is recorded in one place, then it is easy to use by everybody, because I don't have to record it in my computer. I don't have to write it anything in a paper. Everything you do in CRM, write it in CRM. CRM provides all the facilities. So you don't have to write separately. You don't have to record in any other software. You don't have to have your accounting software. You don't have to use your management software. Nothing. CRM will do that. Okay. So CRM allow for easy information tracking and sharing to ensure that each interaction with a customer is meaningful, productive, and pleasant. But why we call it customer relationship management? Because the mainly CRM is used to provide a better service to a customer. So the main goal is to provide a better relationship with the customer. So that is why we call it customer relationship management. So the customer is in the middle, and everything around it is you do everything around customer you do can be done in using CRM.
Yeah.
What is Microsoft Dynamics CRM? Microsoft Dynamics is a line of enterprise resource planning. This is an ERP. Okay, enterprise wise resource planning. We also call it not only CRM, but also we call it enterprise resource planning. Now, enterprise resource planning means that this CRM is used not only in one department, it is used in every department of an organization. So that is called enterprise wide. Okay, resource means it can be human resource you can manage in CRM. It can be product you have. In Tesco they have millions of products, so all these products you can record in CRM. So everything you can record, your IT, how many IT systems you have, everything, whatever the resource, money, if you want to manage money, how much money you have, how you are spending, everything is possible. Okay, so that is why we also call it enterprise resource planning.
Yes.
So enterprise resource planning and customer relationship management software application. Okay, Microsoft Dynamic applications are delivered through a network of reselling partners who provide specialized services. Very few installations are made without the aid of third-party resellers. 2013 update the first instance, and etc. etc. You don't have to worry about that. Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Okay, Microsoft Dynamics is a part of Microsoft Business Solutions. The who is providing this CRM to you? This is Microsoft. Okay, so it is from Microsoft. Say example, you have Outlook 365, right? Say example here, if you go to, if I this is Microsoft Dynamics 365. Okay, so if you go here, so what I've done, you see here, you can see something, right? Navigate to other applications. So this is my CRM, but if I go in the left hand side on top corner, navigate to other application, if you click this, then I've come to this. Okay, what is this? You can see Microsoft Office. Okay, so when you have bought Microsoft Dynamics 365, they will give you Office 365 as well. And not only that, you will have OneDrive, you will have SharePoint, you have project, Microsoft MS Project. You don't have to buy separately, it is there. You have done MS Project. We have used in our class MS Project 2016, remember? So this is there, it's automatically they will give you free. Okay, social engagement. Okay, so like not Facebook, but there is another social which is called it is written here, EMR. Okay, EMR is there. Okay, so EMR is there. Microsoft Word is free, Excel is free, PowerPoint is free, OneNote is free. Okay, so everything is free. Everything is free. And then also you have Dynamics 365. So if I click this now, it will come back to this. It will come back to this. So if you buy, so what Microsoft is doing nowadays, they are pushing, they are doing pushing sell. What does it mean, pushing sell? So if somebody buys Office 365, they will have Dynamics 365 in Dynamics 365 by default, but with limited access, because Dynamics 365 is a big CRM. So they are selling CRM with Microsoft Outlook 2000, I mean Office 365. Okay, so they want to sell in one go everything, but they will provide you basic, but if you want to have more access, then you have to pay a little bit more, and so on and so forth, and then you will have access to all of them. Okay, so this is basically, so it's easy, isn't it? So you can have even access to Office 365, and from there you can have access to Dynamics 365. They are already included together, they're connected to each other. So when you connect to, say example, you can, when you connect to your say example, where is my, So where is admin here? Okay, so from here you can actually manage. Just one second. It is asking me to confirm my password, but forget about that. What I just want to show you that what is there basically. So, okay. Okay, it is asking me to update my admin contact, and it will do. It will always do to just to get a better security, to provide a better security. Okay, so basically you can have access to Microsoft Office 365 and Dynamics 365 and all of these facilities. You will be there. It will be there. Okay, but we will come back to this later on. Our main point, just to understand you, to explain you that it does everything for you. It shows you, that is why it is showing, telling you that Microsoft Dynamics is a part of Microsoft Business Solutions. Dynamics can be used with other Microsoft programs and services such as SharePoint, EMR, Office 365, Microsoft Azure, Outlook, and all of them. Okay, all comes together. The Microsoft Dynamic focus industries are retail. So, what type of industries will need these Dynamics 365? Retail industry, service industry, manufacturing, financial services, public sector, all of them. Not only those services, those sectors, but also small, medium, and large business organization also can use Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Now, why Microsoft Dynamics CRM? One of the leading products in the CRM space that delivers the value talked about previously is Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So basically, the Dynamics CRM platform offers companies a unique set of productivity tools across sales, marketing, customer service. So the main focus point of Dynamics CRM is these three: sales, marketing, and customer service. Okay, these three main focus point of Microsoft Dynamics CRM, or focus point or main modules. Okay, so there are three main modules in Microsoft Dynamics CRM, and these are these three: sales, marketing. So you can say sales department, marketing department, and customer service department. But if you want to add more department, you can do. You have to pay extra money. Say example, you have in your organization, you have human resources. Yes, you can add human resources to Microsoft Dynamics CRM. You pay extra money to Microsoft, they will add it to you. You want to at the moment you can see sales, marketing, customer service, but where is finance? Finance is not there. But if you want to add Microsoft finance to your CRM, yes, you can just give extra money, they will add it to you. Okay, so it by default it comes with these three department, but additionally you can add different department, different modules. Okay, so basically this is the business of Microsoft. They are giving you some basic, and then if you need more, then you pay to them and they will give you. But whatever, just to let you know that Microsoft Dynamics CRM is the cheapest in the market, and that is why it is the most popular CRM system in the UK, in Europe, as well as in America. But there are some other popular systems as well. I will give you the names of them. I will go through all of them. Let me quickly show you what other Microsoft, not Microsoft, other CRM systems available in the market. There are so many, 15 to 20. Okay, different types of CRM available in the market, and they have different prices. So it is up to the customer what type of CRM they want based on how much price, how much money they can spend. So Salesforce CRM, this is the most popular in the market in London, but it is very expensive, huge. Just to let you know, one Salesforce CRM cost you minimum £600,000. Okay, between 500,000 to 600,000 pound. If you want to have full version of Salesforce CRM, that much will cost you. You have HubSpot CRM, you have Pipedrive CRM, you have ProsperWorks CRM, you have Zoho CRM, you have SAP CRM, you have so many. I've just named 7. These are the popular ones. Dynamic CRM, one of them. Oracle CRM, one of them. Okay, so there are so many. You don't have to remember all of them. And Dynamic CRM is one of them, and it is from Microsoft. And these CRMs are from different organizations. Okay, so market is big, but why Dynamic is very popular? Because it is the cheapest and easy to use, and it comes with Office 365, because everybody is using Office 365. And if you use Office 365, you use then Dynamic CRM. Why you need to go to another CRM? And then again, what will happen? You have Office 365 one system, CRM another system. They are separate, so you have to have 2 servers. Okay, 2 different types of people you need to. One person will manage Dynamics another CRM, another person will manage your Office 365. So why to use 2 person and 2 servers? Use one person to manage all of them in one place. And that is why Microsoft is doing this tricky thing. They are providing everything in one platform. Okay, right. Now there are different versions of CRM available in the market. The old version, okay, let me show you the oldest version. It started from CRM 1. The first version was CRM 1. You can see in 2003. This is when they started. So in 2003, Microsoft Dynamics CRM 1 was there, and it was looked like this. Very simple. I haven't seen them. Okay, you will not see them because nobody used that anymore. You see how it was easy. Just simple, straightforward, window. Okay, just like Microsoft Word. It was very simple. It was in 2003, not long time before. Just how many? 14 years back. Yeah. Then when they started, basically. Then the second version come, Microsoft Dynamics CRM 3 in 2005. So it has become a bit more complicated. You can see so that time you just see the difference between the latest one and the previous one. So the previous one, all the modules were on your left hand side, and then you click, and then the sections comes on your right hand side. But now your module comes on the top side, okay, and the section comes underneath. So it's called top to bottom, but the previous version was left to right. Where left to right, you everything on your left, main buttons and main modules, and you go from left to right. You open one, then another one, then another one, then and so on and so forth. But now it's top to bottom. You open from top, and then you go down, 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 down. Okay, so this is CRM 3 in 2005. Then CRM 4 in 2007. Okay, CRM 4, you will see some organization, they still use CRM 4, but very less, because it's already, because it's an old version. Similar like Windows. Nobody, nowadays Windows 10 available, right? Who is using, say example, Windows Vista? Who use Windows Vista? Very less people. So like 3-4 years back, old one, isn't it? So similar like this. So it is an old one, CRM 4. So very less people they use, because they have to now update to the next CRM, isn't it? Because those CRMs, the old CRMs, they are not being updated anymore. Microsoft is not updating them anymore. So if you want to get better service and better something new, so it's all will be updated in the new version of CRM, not the old one. So this is after CRM 4, they changed the name to 11. Okay, it was published in 2010. Okay, so it was look like the same, left hand side menu, and then you come to on right hand side. Okay, then 2013. So from 2013 onward, the menu has come from top, and then you drop down. Okay, from 2013. Remember this, because this CRM, Okay, you may say, okay, Jahid, is too much, explanation rather than you are working rather than you are working, showing us something in CRM. No, I will show you CRM, but the CRM it's not programming. Okay, it's a business logic here. It's a business. So I will talk more. Okay, then show you something. Well, we will do something together as well. I'm not talking about that, but what I'm saying is there will be more explanation than we used to do in C sharp. In C sharp, you go to code, I explain the code, how does it work, and that's it. That's it. But here, I have to give you, the details, the business, how business works, because it is to do with the business. So if you don't know the business, if you don't know the business logic, then it doesn't. You will not be able to handle CRM because it's totally built on business logic. And you will see when I will show you in CRM all of this. So in 2013, remember always, because when you will go to a job, you will see that some organizations they are using still 2011 CRM. So if you see CRM this, then you will not come back to me and say, Jahid, you told us that CRM look like this, but why our organization CRM look like this? Then you will be confused, right? So then you have to understand that because the version of the CRM you are using is 11, okay, not 2013 onward. So remember, from 2013 onward, the menu comes from top. Okay. Then the next version is 2015. Again, menu from top. Okay. Then 2016. I haven't added the picture, but they would look like same. Okay. And then the last one, in last November, they have this Dynamics 365. This version has come from November 2016. Okay, so this is the latest one, and according to them, they will not update 365 at least for 2 years or 3 years. So we'll see. You never believe Microsoft, because they didn't listen before. What they will do, we don't know. So it is up to them to decide. But so this is the latest one, Dynamics 365. Okay, now let's have a look some types of dynamic CRM. Types of dynamic CRM means, let me show you here. Yeah, versions or types. So you need to remember that online dynamic CRM is available in different ways to the to the organization. I'll show you. Here there are 3 common deployment methods for dynamic CRM. What does it mean, deployment methods? Methods means, say example, Jolanta, if you have an organization, say example, you have an organization, Ruthira has an organization, but Ruthira does not have enough money to buy Microsoft Dynamics CRM full function. But Jolanta has an organization and has money to buy full function of Dynamics CRM. But then Ruthira wants that, okay, I don't have enough money. I can pay £100,000 for Microsoft CRM, and Julantha say I can pay 300,000 to get the full function. Now then Microsoft, they have decided, okay, who doesn't have that much money, we can also provide them full function, but in different way. Who has money, they also will get full function, okay, but different way. Okay, so what does it mean, this different way? Means different deployment. Okay, and I will explain them. So these are the different deployment, different ways. One is online, one is on-premise, and one is partner hosted. So when you will go to work in Dynamics CRM field, you will see different organizations. They're using someone using online version, someone using on-premise, someone using partner hosted. So what is the difference between these three? Online means this CRM is available only online. So, say example, Ruthira has an organization but does not have a server. He does not have a server in his organization. It's a small organization, like on the high street a shop. Not every shop has computerized things, right? So they have a computer, but on the only till machine, right? And that's it. They don't have any other. They may not have any computerized software to record all the products. Okay, so and then but they want to use CRM to manage products, to manage their stuff, to manage their money, to manage their sales, to manage their profits, to manage their marketing. Okay, they want to do that, but they don't have a proper server, expensive server. So in that case, can they use CRM? Yes, they can, and that would be online only. It means they don't need server. Okay, so they will just need to click to a link, and by clicking to a link, they will get the CRM will open like a website. It will open, and like here, this is the online version. I will show you. This is online version. Why? I will show you here. So basically, this one. How long it will take? Okay, so this, not this one. This organization. So basically, you see this. I'm using this or this CRM. What I'm showing you. This is online version. This is a trial version. Okay, this is a trial version. So it is free for 2 months. Previously, it was for 1 month. Now they have given you 2 months free. So this is online version. I haven't paid anything, and I don't have a server to run this CRM. So this is called online one. Okay. So a small organization, they can use online version. They don't have to manage anything in their organization. On premise means the CRM will be deployed in your organization server, so you can manage it from there. Okay, so in that case, in online case, where the CRM will be stored, that would be stored in the Microsoft. So Microsoft will host the CRM itself, and it will provide you the link only. Then using the link, you can access to CRM and use it as you want. But the CRM server will be hosted in Microsoft. They will manage it. They will upgrade it. You have to pay to them a little amount of money. Okay, monthly subscriptions, example, £20 a month, £50 a month. They will manage your server. Okay, so what does it mean online? On premise, Microsoft will deploy the CRM to your server, to your organization's server. And then from that server, you have to upgrade, you have to manage your own. So then you have to have a IT manager or IT person to look after that server. So that is called on-premise. Partner hosted. Partner hosted, that you don't want Microsoft to handle it. You don't want to handle on your own organization. You want to handle on your friend's organization. So they will host it, they will manage it, but you will use it using the link only. So that is called partner hosted. So that will be in your somewhere nearby. Okay, because Microsoft, they may say, example, you are in UK, and you don't want that your CRM will be in USA. The Microsoft has offices in different countries, but I'm just giving you an example. They have offices in the UK as well. They have servers in the UK as well. In every country, Microsoft has servers, but not not every country. Say example, in Southeast Asia, Ruthira will know that in Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, in Southeast Asia, only in India they have servers. So Microsoft don't have servers in Pakistan. Microsoft's server does not have in Bhutan. Microsoft server does not have in Nepal. So for example, in London, UK is a important country in the world. So they put here in Europe, not in every country, but some countries, Microsoft, they have put servers. So if you don't want, say example from Nepal, example, right? From somebody wants to use CRM, and that CRM located, the server located in Microsoft server, which is in India. So it will take time to load the server, and if there is a problem with the with the download, okay, if it is not that much speed that country provides, say example, India has high speed bandwidth but in Nepal does not have, then what will happen? Then because of Nepal has less bandwidth, so as a user in Nepal, you would not be able to download or upload in CRM materials, the way the speed it should be. So as a result of that, on-premise on-premise version is given. Means if you don't want to worry about that quicker download, quicker manage your software, then you do it in your server. You put it in your server, it will load everything within a second, rather than it will come from some other country. So that's the option. So on-premise means you manage your CRM on your own. Partner hosted means, as I said, the partner organization. You are working with another organization. They are big. They can they can host your server, but you don't have money, you don't host it. You just pay to them. They will manage it. So these are the three types of deployment methods are available in the market for Dynamics CRM. Now, what are the difference? I told you in brief, but let's go through this. Some of these things are here. Let me quickly go through explaining. Say example, benefits of a CRM online. Okay, why you want to use online? Ability to create a CRM instance online and start using CRM quickly. Okay, so it's a less hassle. You don't have to think about so many things about server and managing CRM, because it's a huge software. Okay, so you don't have to worry. So delivered as a Microsoft Cloud service. It is stored in Microsoft Cloud. You only pay for the users and the storage capacity that you need. So say example, you have bought initially 50 GB, memory in the server. And when you have crossed that limit, you pay extra £100 and Microsoft will give you another 50 GB storage. So you pay as you go. You pay more, you get extra additional storage. Okay, because your organization will grow. Initially, you don't have to buy 500 GB storage. You buy 50 GB storage initially with £10. Then as you grow, you pay more and you will get more. Okay, so that is why it is easy with online. Your users need remote access on multiple browsers. Okay, so your user can access it from anywhere. Okay, using multiple browsers. Microsoft will do backup for you. They will manage your server. They will do everything, and less investment on server license fee. And when Microsoft manage it, then you have to pay less license fee, mean the cost. Okay, it will be cheaper. On-premise means, as I said, on-premise means you manage your own. So you have full control of your network and server, okay, to support your CRM. You have full control to daily backup, because in case something happens with your CRM, then if you don't have a backup, what will happen? You would not be able to access it. Then you would not have you don't have access to any information. So that's why you manage your backup, and ability to pick any day and time to restore CRM form and should be needed. So whenever you want to do it, whenever you want to back up, you want to manage your CRM server, you can do it. But Microsoft, they will not listen you. They will do on their own. Okay, they will say, okay, we will do, say example, Monday morning 6 to 7, and your shop is open Monday morning 6 to 7, and they will, they will do backup and they will refresh the server. Then the temporary your CRM will be unusable. So what will happen then? So these kind of things. You have full access to your SQL database, and also always remember that whatever you do in CRM, there is a two server. One is CRM server Another one is SQL Server. SQL Server is a database, right? So in database, all the information are stored. So everything will be, the SQL database also will be in your server. The ability to customize CRM extensively, and also because the CRM functionality, by default there are three modules, I told you, right? So there are these three modules: sales, service, marketing. Okay, this field service, project service, they have these are new. Resource scheduling, these are new, these were not there 1 year before. So these three, field service, project service, resource scheduling, they have added these three modules from 2016 version onward. Okay, so these are the three new modules. But what I'm saying is, when you buy a server option on-premise version, then you can add more modules as you want. Okay, you can customize it, you can add on your own. You don't have to tell Microsoft that I want to add a module here. But if it is online, then you have to tell them, they will add it to you. Or maybe from who, maybe maybe you have bought your CRM not from Microsoft itself, you have bought from a software development company. I work in a software development company who provides, who sells CRM software, dynamic CRM software to the organization. Not only they sell, but they customize. Customize means they develop, because this is by default, this is what you see here, it is by default, but it does not meet my requirement, because my organization does not have accounts. What does it mean accounts? I don't have any accounts. What does it mean leads? I don't have any leads. So do I need to use them? No, I don't have to use them. So what my organization means, where I work, it is a software development company. Uh, so who works in between Microsoft and the end user? Who is the end user? Means who uses CRM. So what software development company they do, they buy Microsoft CRM at a cheaper price from Microsoft, and they sell to the end user, to the organization, by customizing it, by building it according to the organization's requirement, and then sell it. Because by default CRM will not meet your requirements, so you have to customize it, you have to change it. What does it mean customize? Customize means you have to change it, slightly change it, extend it. Okay, extend the capacity, extend the functionalities. Okay, add different modules, add different departments, add different sections. Okay, add different fields, and so on and so forth. So who will do that? This software company will do that. They will customize it, they will extend it, and then they will sell it. Say example, if you are a software development company, you will get a cheaper price from Microsoft. But if an organization directly wants to buy from Microsoft, they will not get that price what a software development company will get. The reason is, a software development company has, say example, 30 staff, 30 software developers, and each of them passed examination. They have Microsoft CRM has so many examinations. Okay, I'll show you these examinations. I will suggest you to pass this exam as well, because it will help you to get the job quickly. Microsoft Dynamic CRM exams. So here, okay. So exams, Dynamic CRM exams. So we are talking about Dynamic CRM. You see here, Microsoft Dynamics CRM application. This is exam number, but this is the exam name. Microsoft Dynamics CRM online deployment, Microsoft Dynamics CRM customization configuration, Microsoft Dynamics CRM installation, and so on and so forth. So these are the exams are available on Microsoft Dynamics CRM. If you pass all of them, you will be superstar of Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Okay, you will be highly valuable, CRM specialist. Okay. I have passed only one exam, this one, but only for two versions. 2013 versions I have passed once. In 2015 I have passed both exam in 2015, 2 years before this exam. Okay, because see, exams are like this. Exam is customization configuration, but there are different versions as well, because now we are using Dynamics 365, but previously it was told you that there was 1, then 3, then 4, then 11, then 13, then 15, then 16, then 365. So when I was working on Microsoft CRM and learning, that time it was 13. Then I passed that exam. Then they told you, okay, Microsoft 15 has come up, so you have to pass this exam. So what I did is, because it's the same exam name, only different versions, so I just quickly revised the topic and passed the second exam. So because the between versions, the not that much different. Okay. Say example, this Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2016 installation. But who is using 2016? Nowadays, yes, there are so many organizations, they are using 2016, but after 2 years, nobody will use this. They will use Dynamics 365. So why Microsoft is asking you to pass this exam? Because not everybody is using 365 now. Most of them are using 2016 only, because 365 has come only 4 months before. So if you pass this exam, then you have to pass 365 again after a few months or maybe after a few years. So basically they are always updated, these exams. Okay, so what we are saying is, yeah, so what I'm saying is that if an organization, how Microsoft software development companies, they get cheaper price from Microsoft for CRM, because an organization, if you have a 30 people and each of them has passed 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 exams, each of them has got pass minimum 4 exams, example. And because of that, Microsoft, because you have passed their exam, they will give you per exam, to that organization they will give you 400. It starts from 200 pound. From 200 pound, for each exam they will give you discount. So what will happen? What does it mean? It means, if I buy, as an organization, if I buy a CRM software from Microsoft Dynamics 365, and it will cost me 20,000 pound. Okay, general price is 20,000. Now I have 5 people in my organization who has passed minimum 2 exams each. So how many exams they passed in total? 10. So for each exam I will get 200 pound discount. So 200 times 10, 2000. So 2000 pound I will get discount, because I've got 5 people who have passed Microsoft Dynamics CRM exams. So 2000 pound discount I will get. Now if I sell this CRM to an organization and say that, okay, Microsoft is selling you with the price one, say example, 5,000. This is the price of CRM, 5,000 example, and I will give you for 4,000. And then organization will say, yes, why not? I will buy from you rather than Microsoft. But here is the trick, because Microsoft has given you discount based on how many staffs you have, how many staff they have passed Microsoft exams. So this is the where the software development companies, they do profit, and they are reseller of the Dynamics CRM. They are reseller, but they sell better than Microsoft. Okay, because Microsoft also have to give opportunity to software development companies to sell their products, because that is their intention as well. So they will give you cheaper price to companies. Okay, so that is just a quick example. Okay, the ability to customize CRM extensively, you can do on premise. hosted, as I said, this is your partner. So some other organization will host your server. So all the access and control provided by the on-premise deployment model. Again, it is on-premise, but your partner will host it. So what it will provide? It will provide no additional IT burden for your organization. Say example, you don't have IT expert and you don't have a server. So then forget about on-premise. Forget about on-premise. You go to your friend's organization and ask them to host it. So that is called partner hosted. So when you will go to work for Microsoft Dynamics CRM, you will see all these different types of customer. They have some customers they are using online. Small organizations they use online. Big organizations they use on-premise. Mid-level organizations they use partner hosted. Okay. So this is how does it look like. What else? What else? What else? Okay. Now also there are some other things I have to discuss. Let me show you. Let me come from the beginning. So these what CRM can do. Salesforce automation. Salesforce means the sales department I'm talking about. Here the sales department, sales. Okay, so sales module. So everything you do regarding sales, you will be able to manage it using these sections. Everything. You don't have to do anything manually. Everything is here. When I will explain, you will understand. So that is called Salesforce automation. Okay. Then marketing automation. Automation means automatic. Everything is automatic. You don't have to do anything manually. Marketing. And it is here. It is here. If you click down here, marketing. This is marketing automation. Everything is done here automatic. Then you have case management or customer service. Customer service is also here. Customer service is also here. Service. See, customers, service, everything is here. Okay, everything is automated here. You don't have to write anything in a paper. You don't have to manage any document. You don't have to manage any other software. Everything is manageable here. So these are the main modules, and the main module, the most important module is extending CRM. But what does it mean extending CRM? This is the question. Question is, if I have an organization and whatever the organization is, there is a sales is there. Whatever the organization is, the marketing is there. Whatever the organization is, customer service is there. So that is why these three modules are mandatory. Okay, yes, you can have only sales. Yes, you can exclude them. You don't have to pay for this. Yes, you can exclude them as well. If you want to have only service, yes, you can have. Just pay less to Microsoft. They will give you, or to the software companies. Okay, so these are always manageable. So you may not have all, you may have all, so etc etc. But what I'm saying is the most important part is called extending CRM. Extending CRM means that my organization functionalities does not match with CRM functionality. Then what should I do? Then you have to, means software development companies or Microsoft, they will customize, they will change the CRM in a way your organization works. So that is called extending CRM, or in other word, XRM. So the fourth module of Microsoft Dynamics CRM is huge, and that is the main part where we will learn. Okay, so this is the important part. Everything what you will learn from me, it will contain only extending CRM, because as a CRM developer, you need to know how to customize, how to change CRM according to organizational needs. What is there by default, that anybody can use it. But as a normal organization, as a user, as an organizational user, say example, I'm at LSBM. Say example, you saw their marketing people, you saw general staff, you saw admin people. How would they change the system? They don't have that knowledge. So somebody has to change the system according to LSBM's requirements, business requirements. So this is you who will change the system, because you are selling Microsoft Dynamics CRM to LSBM. Then you have to change the system according to what LSBM wants, not what in Microsoft CRM it has. So you have to change the things in a way they work and then sell it. So the changing part is called extending CRM or XRM. So this is huge amount, huge. This is not, it is not like, it is, it's never finished, because Microsoft is always updating, always updating. So, but don't worry, this is just, I'm sure, just explaining you. But when you finish the course, you will be able to do, mid-level stuff, and as well as upper level stuffs. Okay. But what I'm saying is, when you will work, you will find that every year Microsoft is adding some new functionalities. So you will quickly learn on your own. If you have a basic understanding, not only basic, like if you know how to work in, how to extend the CRM functionalities, then when Microsoft will update you the functionalities, then you will be able to, and they will provide you training, because Microsoft provides training as well to the software development companies. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so that is called extending CRM, and is the main part. And also, now there are different types of dynamic CRM available. One is called AX, Microsoft Dynamic AX. Okay, so that is another type of CRM, but it is mainly focus human resource. You see, the main modules are finance, human resource, operation management. So these are the three main functionalities of AX. That is another CRM. Okay, but again from Microsoft. Say example, some organization, they don't need sales, marketing, and customer service. They need finance, human resource, and operation management. So they will buy this Microsoft AX rather than Dynamic 365. There is also Microsoft Dynamic GP, that is mainly for finance. Okay, GP is for finance. Finance, not only finance, supply chain, employee management. Okay, so GP is used. There is another one, NAV. Okay, so this one is finance again, supply chain, people. Okay, so it is up to the organization that what type of CRM they want to use. Which one is more likely to the similar one. Okay, so if they say, okay, I think I need these functionalities rather than Dynamics 365 functionalities, because 365 functionalities is main functionalities is sales, service, marketing, but all others can be added additionally. But here by default you will get this, and then this will be added as additional. So this is how they differ. Okay, so this is how they differ. And also you can have Dynamics 365 CRM, and also you can have NAV as well, and both you can connect together and they can talk to each other. You can have all of them together. It is up to you to decide whether you need all of them or not. If a big organization, they may like to have all of them separately. Okay, because each of them has different functionalities: sales, service, marketing, then finance, supply chain, people, and then so on and so forth. It is up to, but it's very rare that one organization has all of them, because some modules or some functionalities are repeating. So obviously I have given you just an example, but if they want, they can have it. Yes, that's it really. And let me show you the link. You have to, I have added the link to download this software. So please try to download and install it. You will get 2 months free, and after that you will again install it. Okay, I will, at that time I will tell you what to do. So this is the trial version I have added for 2 months. Okay, you will be able to download it on your own. You just need to register yourself. You need to register a false just hold on. I have a phone call. হ্যাঁ মৃদুল, ওকে ওকে ওকে, ওই যে আচ্ছা ম্যারি আসতেছে, আমি একটু ব্যস্ত, ম্যারি আসতেছে নিচে, হ্যাঁ ওকে ওকে ওকে, sorry, give me 1 minute, yeah, okay, I'm coming. Hi Mary, নিচে যাও নিচে। Yeah, okay. So I've given you this link, okay, and what you need to do is just open the link, and here is the link, free trial. This is the link, unleash. So this is the link, okay. So you go down, you get started. So I'll show you. You get started. Come on, don't block it. Allows done. 1 second. So okay, so get started. You already have a subscription because I have subscribed, isn't it? So I can only open another one. Okay, so what you need to do, just simply create a new account. You click that. Okay, you have to add your name, your organization's name. So just simply add, any name. Just make it organization's name, add a phone number, and they will also ask you one email address. And then after 2 months, when it is expired, then you will add a different email address. Okay, and then don't there is an option which will tell you that how Microsoft will contact you. You say by email. If you say by phone, they will call you and they will ask you, okay, they will try to convince you to buy the CRM. Okay, so never say I want to talk to you by phone. Say by email. If they will send you by email, okay, can you please buy after trial version? You can buy this and so on and so forth. So because you don't have to buy anything, right? So you can use trial version for long, but every 2 months you have to subscribe again and again by using the different email address. You can have the same phone number, but email address should be different, because how it has identified me, because I have used the same email address, so it is asking to use a new account, and I will have to now create a new one using another email address. Okay, so you will be able to do that. In case you can't, let me know, I will help you. Okay, but you can do that. You can, if you want to do before Sunday next week, you can give me a send me a text message saying that can I talk to you, or can I connect you by Skype today. So it will be only after 9 o'clock, okay, between 9 to 10, any day. Okay, that time I'm free, not free like I'm available, I'm not free, it's I have to work at home as well. But that time, if you want, I can quickly help you to set it up. Okay, we can connect via Skype and I will show you the step-by-step process. You will know, you will be able to do that, but I'm just saying in case you can't. Okay, so yeah, so it was an introduction. So from next week onward, we'll start working in CRM itself. So hopefully you have understood something, some basic understanding now you have what is CRM, why it is needed, what types of CRM available, how many versions are there, right? So all of these are very, very important, because whenever you will go to work in an organization, even forget about working in an organization, when you face the interview, they will ask you questions from here as well. They will ask you, have you worked in CRM4? You will say, if you don't know what is CRM4, then you will say, okay, CRM4, I haven't heard about it. What is CRM4? They will ask you in interview, they will ask you, have you worked on online? CRM4 online. You will say, online? I haven't heard about online. So they will ask you questions from here as well. So you need to know all of this. Just you need to go through once and you will remember. It's just English. It's not complicated. Yeah. So please go through this, and hopefully you will have better understanding. And yeah, yeah, yeah. You would not get you would not get server version. How would you would not get server version because you have to buy it, because server version is not available free. A trial version, there is no trial version for server, because these are all look like same. Oh, no, this is a trial one. Trial one is only this one. They provide you my hello. You are breaking. Hello. Can't hear. Your voice is breaking heavily. Text, text. Yeah, tell me now. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Anywhere you can, except mobile. Any laptop, any computer you can use. No. But one thing is, because not now. When you finish the course, right? When you finish the course, when you not now, even not finish the course, when you will get a job, okay, in CRM, then buy a powerful laptop or desktop, powerful. Bec- because you have to this CRM, because you will access to organization server, and you need to have a very good processor in order to work faster. Okay, to to bring the to download the, not now, you don't have to buy now. When you will work in CRM, then you have to have a powerful, say example, i7, 8 GB or 16 GB RAM. Okay, so this kind of powerful computer you need. I bought my laptop, but my laptop is i7, but still I think it's slow. So I'm thinking to buy a powerful desktop as well, but it's very expensive. It looks like on 1,500 pound I need. But yeah, so when you get a job, maybe after first month or maybe after 2 3 months salary, you can buy a powerful one, because that is very important for you. But for now, no. For now, you can whatever the computer you have, you can install it, because this is a very basic version, and this basic version is enough for us to learn. Okay. Any other question for today?